is apple called in Sanskrit? Kadali phalam, sebam, narangam, panasam. Sebam. Sebam. What is mango called in Sanskrit? Dadimam, draksha phalam, amram, narangam. Amram. Amram. What is pomegranate called in Sanskrit? Dadimam, kharjuram, kalingaphalam, papitakam. Dadimam. Dadimam. What is guava called in Sanskrit? Sitaphalam, bhallataki, amritaphalam, narikelam. Amritaphalam. Amritaphalam. What is jamun called in Sanskrit? Audumbara-phalam, jambu-phalam, kadali-phalam, sebam. Jambu-phalam. Jambu-phalam. What is banana called in Sanskrit? Narangam, panasaha, audumbara-phalam, kadali-phalam. 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 What are grapes called in Sanskrit? Sitaphalam, draksha-phalam, bhallataki, kalingaphalam. Draksha-phalam. Draksha-phalam. What is coconut called in Sanskrit? Papitakam, audumbara-phalam, narikelam, kharjuram. Narikelam. Narikelam. What is orange called in Sanskrit? Narangam, jambuphalam, kharjuram, papitakam. Narangam. Narangam. What is papaya called in Sanskrit? Sitaphalam, bhallataki, panasaha, papitakam. 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 What are dates called in Sanskrit? Audumbara-phalam, anasam, kharjuram, jambiram. Kharjuram. Kharjuram. What is custard apple called in Sanskrit? Kalingaphalam, sitaphalam, audumbara-phalam, dadimam. Sitaphalam. Sitaphalam. What is fig called in Sanskrit? Anasam, jambiram, vikutam, audumbara-phalam. 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 What is cashew called in Sanskrit? Amritaphalam, narikelam, bhallataki, anasam. Bhallataki. Bhallataki. What is watermelon called in Sanskrit? Kalingaphalam, Vikutam, Jambiram, Kadaliphalam. Kalingaphalam. Kalingaphalam. What is pineapple called in Sanskrit? Drakshaphalam, Narangam, Narikelam, Anasam. 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 What is lemon called in Sanskrit? Bhallataki, Jambiram, Dadimam, Kharjuram. Jambiram. Jambiram. What is sapodilla called in Sanskrit? Amram, Sebam, Vikutam, Audumbara-phalam. Vikutam. Vikutam. What is muskmelon called in Sanskrit? Papitakam, Dadimam, Kadaliphalam, Kharabujam. 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 What is jackfruit called in Sanskrit? Panasaha, Sitaphalam, Bhallataki, Jambuphalam. Panasaha. Panasaha. What is potato called in Sanskrit? Palanduhu, Vrintakaha, Alukam, Patolaha. Alukam. Alukam. What is sweet potato called in Sanskrit? Grinjanakam, Mishtalukam, Nishpavaha, Koshataki. Mishtalukam. Mishtalukam. What is onion called in Sanskrit? Moolakam, Shimbi, Palankaha, Palanduhu. 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 What is cauliflower called in Sanskrit? Pushpashakam, Vindinakam, Suranam, Shunti. Pushpashakam. Pushpashakam. What is pumpkin called in Sanskrit? Karavellam, Raktaphalam, Kushmandakam, Tintrini. Kushmandakam. Kushmandakam. What is brinjal called in Sanskrit? Lashunaha, Vrintakaha, Kembukam, Grinjanam. Vrintakaha. Vrintakaha. What is radish called in Sanskrit? Nishpavaha, Marichika, Nimbukam, Moolakam. 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 What is lady's finger called in Sanskrit? Bindinakam, छत्राकम् उर्वारुकं गृञ्जनकम् भिण्डीनकम् भिण्डीनकम् What are peas called in Sanskrit? कोशातकी निष्पावः लशुनः शिम्बी निष्पावः निष्पावः What is carrot called in Sanskrit? गृञ्जनकं पटोलः शिग्रुः शुण्ठी गृञ्जनकम् गृञ्जनकम् What is bitter gourd called in Sanskrit? उर्वारुकं छत्राकं शिम्बी कारवेल्लम् 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 What is elephant yam called in Sanskrit? सूरणं रक्तफलं पलाण्डुः वृन्ताकः सूरणं सूरणं What is garlic called in Sanskrit? उर्वारुकं शुण्ठी लशुनः मरीचिका लशुनः लशुनः What is cucumber called in Sanskrit? तिन्त्रिणी उर्वारुकं केम्बुकं शिम्बी उर्वारुकम् उर्वारुकम् What is drumstick called in Sanskrit? छत्राकं पालङ्कः शिग्रुः गृञ्जनम् शिग्रुः शिग्रुः What is tamarind called in Sanskrit? मरीचिका तिन्त्रिणी वृन्ताकः निष्पावः तिन्त्रिणी तिन्त्रिणी What is chili called in Sanskrit? रक्तफलं शिम्बी पालङ्कः मरीचिका 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 What is ginger called in Sanskrit? शुण्ठी केम्बुकं कोशातकी गृञ्जनकम् शुण्ठी शुण्ठी What is mushroom called in Sanskrit? सूरणं छत्राकं वृन्ताकः पटोलः छत्राकं छत्राकं What is cabbage called in Sanskrit? गृञ्जनं सूरणं केम्बुकं शिम्बी केम्बुकं केम्बुकं What are beans called in Sanskrit? कारवेल्लं शिम्बी गृञ्जनकं वृन्ताकः शिम्बी शिम्बी What is beetroot called in Sanskrit? पालङ्कः कूष्माण्डकं कोशातकी निष्पावः। पालङ्कः पालङ्कः. What is turnip called in Sanskrit? पालङ्कः, लशुनः, पटोलः, गृञ्जनम्. गृञ्जनम् गृञ्जनम्. What is snake guard called in Sanskrit? तिन्त्रिणी, गृञ्जनम्, पटोलः, सूरणम्. पटोलः पटोलः. What is rich guard called in Sanskrit? पालङ्कः, मरीचिका, केम्बुकम्, कोशातकी. कोशातकी कोशातकी. What is tomato called in Sanskrit? रक्तफलं, पलाण्डुः, निष्पावः, कोशातकी. रक्तफलं रक्तफलं.